Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikir here and I'm back with a new video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install HSBC mobile banking app on your Android device. So without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Now here at the very top on your search bar, search for HSBC mobile banking app. Once you search for that, you will see various HSBC mobile banking apps depending upon the country or the region. So select the app according to your region or the country. Once you select that, simply tap on install button that you will see at your interface and your app will get downloaded. This might take some time depending upon your internet connection, and once it is installed, you have to open the app and then you can continue using your mobile banking app on your device. So this is how you can simply download and install HSBC mobile banking app. That's all for today, and do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified for the next time we upload more tutorials on our channel. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.